Greetings, welcome back to Suffered and Cypher's channel. So today we have a Dino Rivals TAPEJARA. I believe this is a Dino Rivals. It's really pretty much kind of old now. Look at the teeth, it's all worn out. I don't know what happened there. So this thing right here, here's the DNA scan. It's okay, well there's a feature here. It flaps the wings, but it doesn't fold the wings though. I wish it does that, but it doesn't. But there's an articulation on the legs. You can articulate the leg, it goes up or down. There you go. The head moves, but the mouth, yeah, it opens up manually. It's not automatic, like there's no buttons on it. Okay, so I think I already featured this in a video. It was on the Primevalsaurus. It had the crest and the chin of it. But anyways, I brought this out because of the Jurassic World Rebirth TAPEJARA. So it finally has a variant. So let's check this out. We already did all of these except the Monolophosaurus. There's no need to. It's just a repaint anyway. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this TAPEJARA now. Let's check it out. Let's pull it out. Uh-oh. So I don't know if it's the same, but obviously it has lack of colors now. Looks like they downgraded this TAPEJARA again. Whoops. Don't want to damage that. There you go. There you go. Let's put that aside. So let's see what it does. So it's almost... Oh, so there's the DNA scan. I believe it is exactly the same, except that, yeah, they got rid of a lot of paint. You can see this is the new one, this is the old one. So they got rid of the orange paint on the wings, the blue color and the black on the crest is gone, and also of course the blue on the snout thing, it's not there anymore. They got rid of it. So yeah, it is pretty much like a downgrade again. Don't know why. So it's exactly the same. It also flaps, has a, yeah, all the same except loss of color, lack of color now. See, I knew it. 2018. This is also 2018, so it's exactly the same. It's pretty much an old version. They just updated the scan. So this is an old figure, but the scan is new. Yep, all the same. Moving legs, yeah. Nothing too impressive here. But at least this is our last strike attack, the first wave strike attack. We're gonna move on with the second wave soon. Okay guys, we have it downstairs. We have it. I have the Nanotyranus, the new Herrerasaurus, the new Zoniceratops too. Got them all. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thank you. We'll see you again in the next video. Thank you guys.